Hi everyone, my name is Portia Gonzalez and today I will be presenting the volcano Mount Vesuvius. Vesuvius is located in southern Italy above the Bay of Naples on the plain of Campania, according to Britannica. Here we can see the volcano here bulging out. This volcano is considered to be a cinder cone volcano because, according to National Geographic, cinder cones form from ash and magma cinders, solid pieces of magma, that fall to the ground following a volcanic eruption. Here are different views of the volcano. This volcano is explosive and ejects ash and causes lahars and pyroclastic flows, which we can see here and here. According to Live Science, Vesuvius is a part of the Campanian arc, which sits on the African plate that is being subducted beneath the Eurasian plate. According to Britannica, Vesuvius was dormant for centuries before the eruption in 79 AD. After that, there had been several eruptions between the years of 79 and 1037 AD. There had been one in 1631 and several others between 1660 and 1944. The most recent one was in March 1944. This volcano can cause pyroclastic flows and lahars that can reach at least 250 meters outward, which we can see here. Here are my references. Thank you for listening.